welcome back to my channel. So I am here today to finally show you guys what our girl Ziggy looks like on the inside. So if you are unaware, definitely pause this video, go watch one of our last videos where we announced that we got a travel trailer slash camper, and you'll understand why I'm showing you this in the first place. But today is the big reveal because we are redoing her and making her our home away from home. So I definitely wanted to show you guys the process, what she looks like beforehand, and kind of give you a little bit of information on her before we start working on her. So first off, this is a 2015 Zinger Crossroads, and I believe it's 27 feet, right, Jamie?
Yep.
Yeah, so 27 feet, and it does have 2 doors, which we love, and ladder, stuff like that. And what is the weight, Jamie?
I think the weight's like right around 7,000 pounds, maybe just under, about 6,800 or something.
Yeah, so we're still kind of learning like the exact specs and stuff like that, but that's what we think it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys what she looks like and explain a little bit about her as we're going. So first off, I'm gonna show you this in a second, but we do have an awning and it is amazing. So I'm gonna go push it out for you so you guys can see it really quick, okay? Okay, so I just pushed out the awning and this is what it looks like. It's a really awesome awning and it has great space underneath it, and it also has lighting for at night, and it does change colors, which is really cool. So we can have a disco out here if we want to, but it is really, really nice and I love it, and I can't wait to have like meals and stuff like that out here when we go camping. But the next thing I want to talk about is the ladder and the back window, because that was a criteria that I was not going to say no to. I had to have a window. I had to have a huge big window, and the ladder is just honestly the cherry on top of it. I really wanted to have a camper that we could jump on top of, and so we can like take pictures or, you know, just sit up there in the mornings or something like that. I know that's kind of silly, but I just think the views from up there would be so amazing. But the back window was really honestly the selling point for me. I really wanted a camper that had rear living in it because I love that space. When you guys see inside, you'll see how amazing and how much potential it has. But it does have this huge back window and then 2 side windows in the back as well. So there's a lot of lighting coming in there. So now that I've showed you guys what the outside looks like, I'm going to show you guys now what the inside looks like. So come on and let's look inside. Okay, so I'm going in, and I just wanted to mention one more time that we do have 2 doors, which I really love. So this is the main door, and then over here is our other door, and that is into the master bedroom, and we just really, really love it. So it's just like one of those really neat features that we didn't know we wanted, but we love it now that we have. So going in now. But this is the rear living that I was telling you guys about. So what we love about this is that it's a huge open space with tons of light, 2 chairs, a little table that we're planning to completely redo and make it more us. But we imagine like having coffee here in the mornings, and I just like want to be able to look out a huge window and see where we are at all times. So this is something that I extremely loved about this camper. Like, I had to have this, so we love it. Okay, so here is the next portion. This is like the couch that does pull out into a bed. We are obviously at some point going to be replacing this because this just isn't our vibe at all. But we also have a radio and some storage spaces and other windows as well. And then I'm going to show you guys the dining area. So this is the dining area. There are 2 benches, a table, and also some storage underneath, which is really nice. If you guys know anything about campers, the more storage the best, honestly. This does convert into a bed right now, but we have ideas of what we're going to do with this space. Not sure if we're going to keep it as converting into a bed. What works for us might not work for other people, but we love this space, and it's really big. It can easily fit a few people here, so we can't wait to have like friends and eat dinner and stuff like that here. So then on the other side is the kitchen. Okay, so this is the kitchen area. So obviously this is what the kitchen looks like. So this is the stove and the oven and the microwave, fridge, and a freezer. It also has sink and tons of storage space, and also a lot of storage space up there. Our plans for this is getting a butcher block table, painting all the cabinets white, and just doing updates like that. We really want to do like a subway tile or something like that on the back there, but it has a lot of kitchen space and I really like it. I think it's going to be perfect for camping, but yeah, this is what it looks like beforehand. Pretty good space to work with, honestly. The next part is a little bit hard to explain since you guys aren't here in person, so I'm going to try my best. So right now we're in like the kitchen living space. There is now a hallway that leads into the master bedroom. In the hallway there's like storage, this TV, and the bathroom. So I'm going to try to go about this the best way I can. So the first thing that you come to is the TV and some storage space underneath here. And we also have a DVD, which I'm not sure if we're going to keep that. Not even sure what we're planning to do with this space right here, but it's nice. We could maybe make it some more storage. But if you go a little further, in the hallway we have the closet area. So right here is where you have the closet, and then down here are just some drawers for, again, more space. And then on the opposite side of that, we have the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's a really, really awesome space. There's a shower, a toilet, and tons of storage. And the shower is like a pretty decently nice and like a lot of space shower. So yeah, this is the main bathroom. Outside of the main bathroom, here is our other bathroom portion, which is a sink and a medicine closet and some storage down here. At first we didn't know if we would like that being separate, but the more we thought about it, the more it was nice, because you know how it is when someone's got to use the restroom, but someone wants to brush their teeth or wash their hands or whatever. It kind of creates a separate space for both of those, so two people can kind of be getting ready at the same time, which is super nice. So this is in the master bedroom, and then here is the rest of the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. So this is a queen size bed right now. And then we also have some storage up there. We're pretty sure we're going to reconfigure this in a space that works better for us. We're just not entirely sure how we're going to do that quite yet, but it is a great place to work in. And we're really, really excited. And it's quite spacey. So, and then also, again, we have the door that leads outside. So it's going to be super nice in the mornings, keeping that open and just feeling that like morning breeze. So yeah, this is our master space. Alright, so that is basically the full tour of Ziggy. It is going to be so fun to see how she grows and changes throughout the next year. We are so excited to get started on it. I think it has so much potential, and we're going to have so many adventures and so many memories created here. So we're super excited to bring you guys along for the journey, and we can't wait to show you guys everything that happens. Give us some tips and advice down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, and happy travels!